Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon. How do you create your Forex trading account? I've created this video and it's going to be precise on how you create your Forex trading account. So everything that I mention, everything that I show you, make sure you get it and note it. So what we do is what you do. So go to our TikTok account, click on that link. So the link will definitely bring you here. First, click to open a trading account. Once you click there, it will take you to the process. Or you can go and use Google. Just go to your browser, type in FXKampala, as you see I'm doing. Go to FXKampala home. Once you reach there on the menu, select brokers. Once you select brokers, brokers as you see on the chart, it will bring a list of brokers and specifically look for HFM markets. The way I'm going to circle it now. So once you click there, it means that now your registration has started. So begin the registration. Once you click registration, it's going to bring just this to verify that you're a human, and you provide the email or phone number, put the password that you'll always use to access your brokerage account. Afterwards, they will send a code. That code to your email that you will need to provide and put here such that you continue with the procedure. So after that, automatically, they will tell you that your account is ready. After your account is ready, you now begin the serious registration where you need to put your name. That is your names, your phone number, date of birth, and everything. And always make sure that everything you put is correct as per the document or ID you are using. So everything that you put, I confirm, I repeat, I want to stress this enough. Make sure it is correct. Click onto those that you confirm, and it will automatically create for you an automatic account. So once you reach here, select that account type. So this shield account type is created after our request. So once you trade any amount you put there, provided it doesn't reach $500, once you lose after 28 days, you get it back. So make sure that you create that account. First, they need to verify your phone number and they'll send you the SMS. So make sure that that SMS code, you put it here to create for it a password. And then they will give you the login password and the server of this particular account. The next thing is now for you to switch and download MT5. So just go to the App Store or Play Store, download MT5, because now we're going to use the password server and login ID that was given to us to put here. So once you reach MT5, click on New Account. Once you reach here, type in the broker that we are using, which is HFM, and begin, because it's from here we get the servers that we use. So once you type in HFM, make sure you select the one that has HFM Markets SB Limited, because HFM works worldwide, it has different servers. So for Africa, specifically Uganda, we use SB Limited. Select it. Remember, this time round, we're on the side of MT5. So put in your login password and server, the ones I told you, they will send them in the email, and then you can now go back and proceed to continue such that you verify your account back to the website. So we begin now with our process of verifying our account. So just put in the address as it is. Just put anything that is there on your national ID. Postcode is 256. Put it there. And make sure you select, if you're a male, male, female, female. Estimated net worth, just select anything. And of course, now you reach to the education, blah, blah, blah. Just select anything. Begin the verification. So once the system brings you here, start the verification process. Make sure you have your ID ready. Click just tick data and private policy and continue. So once you reach here, you're going to now upload the ID. If it's passport, passport. If it's driver's license, driver's license. Make sure I have a clear photo of the ID or of the passport. So click on the front side to upload the front side, the back side to upload the back side. And then once you upload them, the account is now okay. And now you can begin the deposits, withdraw. As you can see, the system, everything is there. So to open again another account after Shield, you just click on Open Live Account. If it's demo, open demo. So since we are opening a live account, select Premium, select it, choose MT5, choose the currency US dollar, Make sure this time round you put everything, the nickname, but then don't forget to put our code. And once you put our code, that is 348857, put it there, click add before you actually can do the submission. So after then, I believe you will get the login password of this account. You also can go back to MT5 and put in the same details as we did in our MT5. So the procedure is as simple as that. But always, just to stress this, never forget our code, and we'll always be in position to help you. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.